Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. If you are watching from Facebook, follow me on my page, like the video, comment and share it to many groups, and don't forget to put in comment section what you think about the video. I have a random news to discuss with us. In Anambra State, it was reported by Sahara reporters that two brothers was burnt on them alive because they were accusing them that these two brothers are stealing things, snatching something from people in Anambra State. And I was very, very surprised to see these pictures and this news posted by Sahara reporters, because in Igbo land it is not common to see this kind of thing happening, to happen in our land. Where I know that it is very common is in Lagos State. When you only just that someone said the ole, the chances of the person, to get burned is high, because people with the net tire, even they say fuel is costly, and it is very expensive now. But we will see someone donating those things to make sure that the person get burned. Now you can see in the pictures how they are, using their hands, judging the two guys and burn. This is two brothers, not a friend. So they share parents together, and this kind of thing happened to them in our land. It is very, very bad. I just want to use this medium to encourage anyone. If you are part of people, if you're part of those who are engaging in this kind of barbaric act, you need to stop it, because it is very, very bad. Yes, it's not good to steal, but the best way to handle it is to get them arrest them and make sure that they were, very, very interrogated by security agencies. If you don't trust police or anything, you have vigilantes around to handle this kind of thing. Than burning people, setting people ablaze in public is not encouraging at all. It is very, very bad. It's worth condemning, honestly. It is very, very bad. Another news, if you go to Simon Ekpa's Twitter's handle, you will find out that he posted this morning that Cameroonian Air Force, launches airstrike on one of the Biafran Navy bases in Bakassi Peninsula after Biafran Navy gave them woto binigwe. Because some of us don't realize that a lot is going on down there in Biafran land, in our borders. Our Biafran Liberation Armies and Biafran Navies are doing a marvelous work, trying to protect the borders and do the needful to make sure that they safeguard every one of us, and our people back home. Because if you remember, this Bakassi Peninsula is a part of Biafran land where Nigerian used with Cameroon to negotiate, blockade they did during the Biafran 1967 war. When Nigerian Biafran war was going on, they used this land to negotiate with the Cameroonians to block entrance of entry of items, food, and cargo from entering Biafra land through this means. They offered them this land at the end of the war in compensation. I think that was what they have in the agreement. But Biafrans have risen again to make sure that they recover and restore back their ancestral land. This is what they are doing. For those of you that are criticizing Simon Ekpa, you did this, you did that. He is doing marvelously well to make sure that things, get back to shape. And some of us are doing it on purpose, because they know the truth that Simon Ekpa is doing the needful, doing the right thing, but they keep on misbehaving and trying to, lure him down and make sure that he did not achieve what is going to benefit every one of us, which is very, very, very bad. As I officially yesterday announced through Biafran Prime Minister Master Simon Ekpa yesterday on his State of the Nation broadcast, that any advertisement of politicians elected by companies or organizations, media house is from tonight banned in Biafra land. This means that if you are contesting for governorship or president or whatever you are doing, media houses in Biafra land are hereby banned from publicizing your campaign or announcing it on the media or doing those political jingles for you. It has been banned. That was what happened yesterday, as Biafran government in Israel are moving ahead to get things in order to make sure they push out anything Nigerian government in the land. Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa gave this order on his broadcast yesterday when he was giving his State of Nations press release. So this order should be publicized. You should make it go viral. If you are not aware of it, please make sure you pass this information to people around you so that no one will blame anybody that they did not know. Information is power. Land, this news is for you, and it is very important that you listen and listen very well. If you have your family there in Biafran land, make sure you pass the information as well to them. The order has been given by Biafran government in Israel through the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa that on 9th of November there will be a curfew in Imo State. This curfew will last from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. On 10th of November, there will be also a curfew, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. On 11th, there will be total lockdown. Biafra land will be under lock and key. This is to make sure the Nigerian government and the election they are planning in Imo State, comes to an end. Biafran government in exile through the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa have given this order that it will never be business as usual, that any election in Biafra land is dead on arrival. So this election they are planning in Imo State will be a starting point to make sure to resist any election or campaign or whatever by Nigerian government in Biafra land. So if you are in Biafra, if you are a Nigerian living in Biafra, or you are a Biafran in homeland, make sure you have this information with you to avoid being a victim of circumstance. The issue here is about what Ebukobi said. The reason why I don't want to play the video of Ebukobi or trying to analyze it is because Simon Ekpa, the Biafran Prime Minister, have not done the exposition that he promised he would do. I think it is necessary that he will be the one to carry out the information first before any other ones can react on it. But for those who are trying to put sentiment in what Ebukobi said, they're trying to fight for him in the name that you are a member of his ministry and all that. We all love him as a brother, but when your brother is going astray, it is your duty to show him love by calling him back to order. Ebukobi made a very big mistake by what he said and what he did in that video campaigning for Hope Uzodinma, and at the same time claiming that he did not ask anybody to vote anybody. But we are not an idiot, and it is very, very insulting for him to come back to say that he did not say this when we all know what he meant by what he said. If you don't believe what we are saying about Hope Uzodinma, because I, for one, I was thinking that Chimaroke Nnamani was is the one of the most corrupt and brutal governor that Southeast have ever experienced. But judging by what Hope Uzodinma is doing currently, Chimaroke is learning less. He is a learner where Hope Uzodinma is. Hope is a very, very bad man, blood suckers. I don't want to use some word because of UIT and Facebook. I don't want any restriction, but you know what I'm trying to say. In this video, what we are watching here is what is happening in Biafra land. We are at war in Biafra land. Nigerian army continue trooping with armored tanks in Olo, Imo State in Biafra land under the command of Hope Uzodinma. So if you are not in the war, what is the job of armored tank? For those of you who think that is they're just saying that nothing is going on, that is a propaganda, not everything is okay, just watch this video. This is an it is like this day in and day out in Biafra land. It is like this. I don't want to show the videos of victims of Hope Uzodinma. And Ebukobi is a king of Omecherafancha, of Ocharafancha, according to his members, what they are singing in his church. They sing more praises of Ebuka than even the God that is performing the miracle they say that is taking place there. Ebukobi is Omecherafancha, of Ocharafancha, God of Zion and all that. Now, how come this God and this Ebukobi couldn't see what is going on in Imo State? Why must he come out publicly to preach to his members to vote Hope Uzodinma simply because Hope built a house going to his he did not even say his build. According to that video he said it will commence on Thursday. So it have not even built, the Hope have not built the house, the road for 4 years. So he just want to commence it this Thursday because election is around the corner. And Ebukobi couldn't see the handwriting on the wall. Ebukobi don't want to talk about those that he pied in Imo State as well. So like I said, I don't want to go deep. Let me just scan through the information just now and leave it pending until the due time. Speed Darlington Twitter's handle, Omeibo, Nde Imo State, are we going to fold our hands? Are we going to fold our arms and watch this Anojo murderer enter back as governor the second time? Just few days to the election, I'm yet to see opposition candidate in Imo State. Does it mean there is no strong or able candidate to challenge this man? We can see Imolites are not happy with this man at all. But Ebukobi don't care. He jumped out to defend what he know that nobody want to see. Anyway, I will bring this video to an end here. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Yes, the comment is very important because it will help the YT, it will help me and help the channel so that YT and Facebook will know that human being watches the video. Please try your best to support your brother. See you on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.